guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Kubbielove Inyang, but please call me Kubi if you cannot pronounce that. Today we are recreating a look that I saw on Instagram, and I fell so in love with it because I haven't really tried pairing green with purple, so this is the look that I'm recreating today. We're gonna go straight into this video, this tutorial. This is day 10 of my 30-day makeup challenge. If you want to see all the looks I have done so far, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram to check them out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do my eyebrows, do one eye, and I will be right back. This is the look we are working with today. When I tell you I struggled to blend this out, it wasn't that easy, but we're gonna go ahead and start this other eye. I'm using this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I've used this in my previous videos and it's really great. So I'm gonna be using this to act as an eyeshadow base. Sweeping it across. That should be enough. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer brush, and while it is still wet, I'm going to blend everything out. Y'all, I'm looking for a way to spice up my videos, and I really feel like at least doing one storytelling video like I do on TikTok. Sort of what Bailey Sarian does here on YouTube, but I'm scared that I'm just scared to do it. I don't know, what do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section if I should do at least one video like that, like talking about like history or crime, things that have happened in the past that are juicy. Make me your Aphrodite. Today we are working with the James Charles palette as usual, and I'm going to put an arrow to just show the colors that I'll be using. We're going to get started with the black eyeshadow. I'm going to put that right in my crease. I'm going to pack enough shadow, just enough, so the black really shows. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush. I don't know where this brush is from. I've just always had it. I'm just going to blend out. You know what? I need to pull the black in here. Now we're going in with the purple, and I'm placing it right at the edge of the black. Right there. Y'all, my eyebrows are so weird because one is like this and the other is like this. And this one is longer than this one. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know. That's how my face is. It's so weird. Going back to the makeup, we're placing the purple right on top of where the black ends, pulling that out. Then I'm cleaning that brush and going back and blending out the purple. I'm taking a blending brush and a lighter shade of purple to blend everything out a little bit more. Wow, I actually feel like this side is more blended out than this side. Oh my gosh, that is funny. Now I'm gonna go back to intensify the black right in the crease. And I'm also going to bring it in here. And this is for when I cut my crease, so it will blend out. That's your eye look blended out, people. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I'm going to cut my crease next, and I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. And I'm just going to take this concealer brush from Colourpop Cosmetics, and the name of the brush is E4. For the perfect cut crease, always apply your concealer and then look up, and right where the concealer stops, that is where you should like cut. I feel like it's higher than this side, but oh well. This is going to be a guide for me to take out whatever I need to take out, and I'm just going to clean up that area. If you do have Q-tips, I suggest using that. Next, I'm taking my micellar water, and I'm just gonna put that on this. I'm gonna carefully clean that up. And now that it's all cleaned up, I'm going to reapply my concealer. This time, I will be using the Colourpop Cosmetics concealer. Now we're moving on to the part that I actually don't even like, and that is blending out all these colors on my eye, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually very stressful, especially the beginning, like where I have to blend out the white and the yellow. I honestly don't even know if it's because of the type of brush that I'm using to apply it that it doesn't blend out well. I honestly don't know. I'm going to do something that I didn't do to this eye, and I'm going to try and set the concealer on that like inner corner part of my eye to see if it will make any difference. If this doesn't work, we'll see. I just applied my Mercier Translucent. I'm going to use a flat brush to try and apply the white eyeshadow on top of that. Next, I'm taking this brush from Colourpop Cosmetics and I'm going to go ahead and apply the yellow. Tired. I'm so tired. No, I feel like I just messed up big time right here because I added some more concealer to it to make the yellow pop, but I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea. I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Like, I hate working with yellow so much. I'm just gonna go straight into the green. Putting the light green right here. If y'all see this video on YouTube, know that I thought long and hard about posting it because what is going on? Like, is it my brushes? Like, huh? You know what? I think you guys get the gist. I'm gonna redo this eye, but I'm gonna put the dark green out here and you see what I'm talking about when I come back. Okay, y'all, let's do this again. Let's do this again. This time I'm gonna take my... Are my allergies really about to start? At this point, everything is telling me to just turn off the camera and go to bed. But I can't do that. So this time I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I don't know what it is about the Colourpop Concealer today. I'm going to lightly apply this. So this is the reality when it comes to looks like this. You just have to prepare your mind for anything that could possibly go wrong, and today is just not it for me. I'm going to switch around my brushes and see if that will make things better. Going back into the white eyeshadow, I'm just gonna dust a little bit on here. Okay, I've come to the conclusion that I don't like. Yo, I'm just going to go along with it. So the green is acting out. Everything was going well. I feel like this yellow is too yellow. You know what, guys? I'm gonna fix up the blending out. If it looks... Honestly, I don't care how it looks anymore, but I'll be right back to show you guys how I achieved this part. I took a break. I got some Chick-fil-A for my mental health, and now I think I'm ready to complete this look. So to achieve this thing right here, Lord knows what this is called. Like, I truly admire the creator of this look. She is a black makeup artist. So I'm taking some concealer and I am cutting this part out. Like that. I don't know if that makes sense. Like that. Now that that is done, I'm going to take some paper towel and my micellar water, and I'm going to clean all of the makeup in that area. Using this NYX pigment number 20, and you can use a mixing medium, but today I'm going to be using my setting spray in order to make some eyeliner from this. This is a pigment, so it's very easy to mix into like a liquid cream form.
Only talking, put your money where your mouth is. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change what's around you, how you think.
We have spent way too much time on this eye look. I'm gonna go ahead, put on my lashes, and I'm gonna do my full face, get done with this look first. By the way, for the inner corners, I almost forgot that. And I think I used this shade right here for my inner corners. That's what I'm gonna be using.
Yo. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego. We pass it round, hot potato. Everything is new wavo. I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful. Another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil. I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special. You gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade. Sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing changed unless you change.